I was thinking if I have been fixing computers, building computers, why I cannot do it, upgrade to the Barretts, which I have it here. So what I will do on this is install a SSD hard drive. I was reading about it, make it way faster and on everything, and plus this one has not much memory. Oh, I have here my bracelet to start, anti-static when I open it, and so I don't discharge any electricity there and damage the components inside the motherboard. However, going back to the Barretts, I will install these. I was reading and make it way faster on the boot time and also the way how it works. It's coming with 250 gigabytes of hard drive memory, and I will install 1 terabyte, and I believe it's gonna be okay. I will clone the hard drive, and then I was planning to upgrade the memory RAM, but I haven't had enough information about it, so I may have to go to Fry's and see if I can get a module, because it only has one slot for one memory and it is only a 2 gigabyte, the one it has, so I should get a 4 gig or 3 gig. So, but I need to get more information about it, but I'm pretty sure with the hard drive it's gonna work. It's high capacity, 1 terabyte is like a lot, and mostly it's this, like fast. That's what I care more about it, and I'm planning to hold this computer for a long time, since I'm gonna open it right now. The warranty is void. It's already over, like I bought it like 4 years ago, and also maybe my last Snap-on. It's hard to do any upgrades or anything with Snap-on, so who knows, like maybe we'll be moving to a Picoscope after. I'm already getting into that, but for now I was planning to have it as long as I can, this one. So the next point will be showing you guys how to remove the hard drive from the Barretts, opening the Barretts, removing the hard drive. I will remove the motherboard because I wanted to get pictures to get try to get the memory RAM of that one too. I will remove the complete motherboard. Everything we gotta be very careful, with the connectors, the clips there. We don't break anything because it's an expensive unit, and if something is broken, Snap-on doesn't sell anything. We have to take it with them, and it's like they charge like $2,500, I think, or something like that, $1,500, $2,500 for touching anything. So we gotta be very careful. And the other thing is gonna be showing you cloning the hard drive. That's the software I'm gonna be using, and I will have to take the 2 hard drives to my desktop, and then we have to hook up those directly to the motherboard there, and I will try to see what software works. I have different software for cloning hard drives. I have done it before. Never Snap-on, so I know they got like crazy stuff there inside, but it should work. Why not? So let's start. So I downloaded that from here to this website. I use it like home user, and this is basically free software and it works better than other paid software. Surprisingly. Well, I I tried this software and it didn't work, for cloning. Supposedly this is a good stuff. I have heard good stuff only about this. And well, it didn't work. I couldn't make it, so it was hard to make this one works. But finally, the one make it was this free software. So this is the one I used. I'll show when I'm doing that part. Okay, let's move to that part now. Then start opening, removing the scope, and then we need to remove the battery, and then remove all the screws around here. Okay, so we have to remove all these bolts, all these screws here, boy, for warranty this, here, 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 and here. Okay, I'll start removing all of those and then we'll see. Okay, so then we need to remove this connector here. Be careful. One connector here. And another connector on the other side. Just look for the routing of those connectors so that way they don't get crash, or we compress them by the time when we put them back. The other one is here. This one for the board here. Maybe you won't be able to see, it's hard here. Okay, so then we spare it two parts now. Okay, so get the hard drive here. So here what we gotta do is remove all the four screws here for the hard drive, but we gotta be careful here. Usually I did it here, but it may be probably better to remove it from here because there is one screw under here, and then also when you do it like this, there is some tape here. You gotta remove this tape. That is holding, the connector here too in place. So remove that one here, and then this is it here. The original hard drive I had. 250. What's the speed on this? I'll check that later on the instructions. But it's Seagate, man. I hate Seagate. They were good a long time ago, but now they're trash. I don't trust it, but I still have to keep this one for this is gonna be my backup or whatever, if anything happen in the future, my bearers, I have it here. Okay, so, and then I'm gonna put the new one. Okay, here is where it's inside the bearers. I have here my anti-static bracelet. That way I don't discharge myself on the electronic components. So I'm gonna be removing these 4 bolts here, screws I mean, okay, on this area. And then I already removed these two, or this plate. That one goes on top of the CPU, the processor. And be careful. I remove this here, removing another one here, and we're leaving just like that. So this is for the Wi-Fi card. Also I have for the hard drive, I will be removing it here. Okay, then we have 2 more connectors here, one here and another one here. I removed those 2 here, so that these have a little clips. We have to just I have to make those clips go like this before I'll zoom on that one. Focus please, right here. Okay, these clips, we have to go like this before removing it, and then when we put it in, after that we press it in on these 2. Yeah, basically we have this, we have another one here that goes here, same thing. We press those here and then press it out. So well, I'm not only replacing the hard drive. If you're doing just a hard drive, the only thing you have to do is this part only. nothing else. But I wanted to upgrade my memory to my memory RAM. It's 2 gigabytes, and I will just do a 4 gigs. So we have that one here in memory. So you can see this is 2 gigabytes. So I'll see what I can get. 4 or 3, whatever I can get. I wanted to get it faster. Okay. Now I have here, open my PC, and then I have the 2 hard drive here. This is the one from the Barrows that I removed from the Barrows, and this is the SSD. And this is my desktop. So this is like, I'm trying like the 5th, at least I think the 5th software to do the cloning, and I haven't been able to do it, so I'm trying this one right now. I hope this one can make it. I don't give up easy, but you know, it give us a lot of work. Okay. I'm still installing the software, I believe. Well, 2-day trial. Finish. And it's gonna be good software. Now this one didn't work, the Actronic. Okay, I think it's this, the Reflect. Okay, so then I have to go to let me see, backup, action, backup. Where do we have to go? Well, at this point I gotta select this option here, long disk. And I think I have to clone disk, yeah, and then gotta select the source. See, the source will be 6. Okay, yeah, there are 3 partitions here on the Snap-on hard drive. Okay, total is 232. Okay, gigabytes, that's the source. So I need to now select the target where this one is gonna go to. Click next. Click next. Okay. Okay, it's here. Select the disk to clone to. It's gonna be mine at Samsung, and then I'll put delete existing permutations. Okay. Okay, got the 3. Selected the 3 partition. Okay, select a different target disk. I don't have to. I already have this, and I'll click next. And if you wish to run this clone again in the future, you can schedule below, otherwise click next. Okay, so this thing is doing now, what's going on? This cooperation, intelligence sector copy, yes. So do I have to click next or what? What do I do now? I don't see an option for next. Is that doing something? Okay, so I just click finished, and edge. Is that my edge? Yeah, it's my edge. Okay. So I got a message here like saying a clone started. Oh, we don't see anymore, but it was a message. I hope it will make it, because I have tried different software and none of them has been able to do the clone. I hope it does it. I also had the software here for Samsung. That's a crap. Doesn't do anything. So nice. Keep going with this. Alright, clone complete, 11 minutes, nice. Oh, it's time to see if that works. Okay, we'll start putting back everything together now, starting with the memory, RAM. I will not upgrade it at this time, because I need to get more information about this. Apparently 2 gigabytes is enough, they said, and I called Snap-on and they say they do not recommend to upgrade it. We will start carefully putting back all the connectors. Got one here, got one missing here. Okay, we got this here. The speakers. Okay, start connecting this here. Connect the Wi-Fi card. Okay, need to get this in. It's a little hard to get it in now. Okay, there is. Okay. So do this now.
Estas cosas lo ponen muy mal. René no soporta los hospitales. Gonzalo, mi amor, ¿cómo está tu hijo?
No está entendiendo, todavía no sabemos nada concreto.
La verdad es que todo va a salir bien. Aquí estoy contigo para apoyarte en lo que necesites.
Okay.
Familiares de Alan Griff.
¿Cómo está mi hijo?
Doctor, pudieron controlar el shock anafiláctico. ¿Ustedes son sus padres?
Sí.
Sí, doctor. Por favor, me acompañe. ¿Ya me puede dar información sobre mi esposa, por favor?
Un momento. Yo no pasa algo, amiga. No, que nada más. Nada más.
Bien, pero si a ver cómo está Karen y el consiguió.
Yo voy a estar acá en el ritual. Vamos a empezar.
Okay. I think it is done now. All these connections. So far, so good.
Nadie lo sabe. Tengo mucho miedo que le pase algo malvado. ¿No viste la cara del niño?
Okay. So I just make sure this routing here on this gotta make sure on this here.
Valentina, me da igual. No quiero que estés con ella. No quiero que estés con ella. Porque ella debe ser como su madre, que quiere quedarse con lo que es mío. Tú tienes que alejar de ella, ¿me entiendes? Porque no solo
Everything is sitting correctly. Now, okay. Start putting this back here.
Cámbiate a Sprint, que obtén datos, llamadas y textos ilimitados. Además, recibe video HD y 10 GB de hotspot móvil. 4 líneas por $22.50 al mes cada una. Eso es 50% de las tarifas de Verizon y AT&T. Es el mejor plan ilimitado. Suena bien, ¿no?
Él pensó que tener una novia de mente abierta era lo mejor.
a mí no me importa.
Pero lo que nunca se imaginó fue hasta dónde lo llevaría. La Rosa de Guadalupe, a las 7:06 centro.
Ellos son diferentes, tienen su propio camino, pero juntos deberán salvar al mundo. Brillante y autosuficiente, Lily es como yo.
¿Sabe que aparenta ser más cool? Les gusta que crean que es un tipo duro.
Bondad y estrategia. Es el cerebro del grupo.
Kimberly es la rebelde sin causa.
Jason lo identifica la palabra líder y sabe que el éxito está trabajando en equipo.
Juntos somos más. The Bond Power Rangers. En cines el viernes.
Este viernes, you find are the Power Rangers. Lo que los hace diferentes. Los hace más fuertes. Power Rangers, este viernes.
Vanidad.
Okay, on something we gotta be careful here is this. I was checking when I was removing it. These two plastic were coming out. This little cover here. When you're flipping over, so just make sure you put them back. Here, these plastics came out of, like they fell off. So just make sure you put them back here. And the routing of this one is very, very important, especially like this cover here. You see this connector. So this connector, the routing should go when we put that connector here, right here. Let's see. When we put that connector right here, so we have to bring the cable like this inside this, so that way we don't compress it here or right here. Now this has been designed to go like this, okay? And the other one is not a big deal, but still we need to make sure we put it right. Okay, it's time to install the SD hard drive.
Cuando me vi al estado, I'm a new person. Soy una persona nueva.
En el momento que yo me volteé, que ya yo tenía todo terminado, fue como que me sentí yo nuevamente.
Llama ya al 1-800-849-9557 o visita el
Porque ella no me dice mentiras como tú. Nunca te he dicho mentiras.
¿Qué me has hecho? Me dijiste que no vas a volver a lastimar a nadie, ¿lo has hecho?
Estoy segura de que tú eres responsable de lo que le pasó a Nuria, ¿verdad? No seas necia. ¿De dónde sacas eso? De tus propias palabras. Me dijiste que ella tenía que pagar por lo que te hizo. Y fue mucha casualidad que la encontraran tan mal y cerca de tu casa. Seguramente esas ideas te las
Okay. Okay, last step is gonna be installing the cover, the rear cover. Gotta be careful with this in the routing inside, so that way we don't compress it. We don't compress it there. There are only two connectors, but the routing inside is gotta be very careful with this. Probably won't be able to show that part because it's kind of difficult here.
Hubo intoxicaciones del evento de moda.
Válgame, pero ¿cómo que una intoxicación?
No sé, yo lo escuché en el radio de la camioneta cuando ya venía de la gasolinera.
Ay, Dios mío, ¿y qué pasó, mijo?
Yo lo que escuché fue que se llevaron a mucha gente al hospital. Al parecer hay alguien de la familia muy grave.
Tía, deja de ponerte en ese plan. ¿Cuántas veces quieres que te lo diga?
¿Qué miras?
Estoy revisando mi credit score gratis con Credit Karma.
¿Y eso para qué es?
Para todo. No querrás tener que pedir dinero al prestamista toda tu vida, ¿no?
Well, the only issue I can see here is 1 terabyte hard drive I install, and it's only recognizing me here like max capacity here, like 180, and plus this one is like a 55, I think. Yeah, it's like about. Well, so I probably will check what happened here. What happened? I just need to use more capacity on this, so I will go to manage this management, and it created another partition here is unlocated. I will just put a new partition here, and I'll put data.
Tiene que ser limpio, tiene que ser tight.
Este viernes, U5 are the Power Rangers.
Oh, I can't. I can't rename it right now because my keyboard is not working. I mean the virtual keyboard. So I will have to leave it like that. New volume and everything. Finish. I will change the name later. So yep, it's done here. So well, I can store data here. $700 GB.
Mayor que tiene 10 años y lo diagnosticaron con leucemia.
Well,
Es un chiquito que no se
that's
puede
it. So I just had to create another one because the one was 55.
hacer.
This one is about 180 total. Nice, should work. We'll restart it now and see if keyboard and everything works fine.
Que todavía no te perdono por haberme abandonado cuando te suicidaste.
About the keyboard,
Necesito tu ayuda, papá.
rename.
No podemos dejar que Adriana cometa el error de alejarse de mí.
I'll
de
put it
abandonarme.
data.
Me hicieron tú y mi hermano.
I'll name it like data. That's it.
Otra vez se interpone el paquillo ese con la gente que
I'm able to use capacity. Well, for installation software, I only have how much left? I have used 24. I've got 142 GB free here, so I can store any data here. Got 700 gig here. Nice, it works. Okay, we're gonna start right now here. Start. And this is to compare. This is my old hard drive and see how long does it take to boot. Okay. Okay. It's pretty much gonna be the same time, I think. It was 1 minute and 30 seconds, I think. It's doing it about to be the new one. It's gonna start loading up, down. Snap on diagnostic tool. Ooh, definitely it's taking longer. Took 1 minute and 30 seconds, I think it's taking with the SSD hard drive. It's done. Loading up with the old hardware, hard drive. See? Okay. I think we will get a good improvement just on the boot time because also okay. Gonna put a new hard drive, install a new hard drive now. Okay, press the start button here. Okay. Okay, probably pull up. I'll see how much time it takes to up the windows. So I got one lap. Okay, it's showing up the Snap-on, the windows, and then it's gonna be loading up the diagnostic software. Something went wrong, I don't know, I guess probably some of the software don't send. Probably restarting the computer is just recognizing the new software. So we are 58 seconds total. Gonna check the total boot time for the diagnostic software. It's gonna be less than 2 minutes, I believe, with the new hard drive installed. Okay, it's done. It's just giving me some error here. The Snap-on utility has encountered. Okay, I think it's this. Yeah, that one is the one. So I probably will have to restart the computer, but it was the boot time. Now I will be. I think it's the computer. I think it's the part. Yeah, that is the one. It's not working right now. Or maybe have to restart the computer for that to properly work. Let me see on properties. Well, I got 2 GB of RAM. I wanted to see the hard drive. How much memory you got here? Free space. 255. How they work? He didn't recognize it like a full disc. He just made the same copy as the original. That's an issue. It's not recognizing me the full disc size. Okay, I gotta work on that part and see how I can figure out that one to make it work. Computer is working way faster.